There comes a moment in life when the weight of the world feels unbearable. The nights stretch endlessly. The silence grows louder than words. And you wonder, will I ever feel whole again? You carry wounds no one sees, pain no one understands. I know what it feels like to stand in the middle of chaos trying to smile, while your heart quietly breaks inside. But listen closely. You are not alone. Welcome to Healing Mapped, a sanctuary for your heart, a safe space for your soul, a guiding light on your journey toward wholeness. Life isn't easy. We live in a world that demands more strength, more success, more perfection. And somewhere along the way, we lose ourselves. We hide behind masks. We bury our emotions. We pretend we're okay until we can't anymore. But hear this. You are not broken. Every scar carries a story of survival. Every tear is proof of your strength. Every step you've taken through the pain is a reminder that courage lives within you. Most people think healing happens overnight, but it doesn't. Healing is messy, it's unpredictable, it's deeply personal. Some days, you'll rise like a warrior. Other days, you'll feel like you're drowning, and that's okay. At Healing Mapped, we walk this journey with you, step by step, heart to heart, because healing has no deadline, there's no rush, there's only progress. Your past explains you, but it does not define you. Regrets, mistakes, heartbreaks, they are chapters, not the whole book. Every sunrise is an invitation to begin again, to rewrite your story, to step out of the darkness and choose yourself. The world teaches us to seek approval, to measure our worth through the eyes of others. But true healing begins here, when you choose yourself, when you forgive yourself, when you love yourself unapologetically. Self-love isn't selfish, it's survival. Together, we'll explore life's greatest truths. Pain is temporary. No storm lasts forever. Vulnerability is strength. Your scars make you human. Gratitude brings light, even in your darkest nights. Forgiveness sets you free, from others, and from yourself. And above all, you are never alone. You deserve mornings without heaviness in your chest. You deserve love without conditions. You deserve a life where joy isn't rare, it's natural. At Healing Mapped, we're here to remind you, your story isn't over. Your future is still waiting to be written. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. If you've been searching for hope, you've found it. If you've been longing for someone to walk beside you, we're here. Your story matters. Your healing matters. You matter.